Hello everyone! How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. I'm Ms. Sheerin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is grammar, verb to be, positive form, and the past tense, part 1. Let's begin. Today we'll be focusing on verb to be in the past tense. This verb is used to talk about actions or states that happened in the past. Remember, time indicators that imply the past tense are last night, last week, last month, last year, yesterday, in the past, previously, ago, before, once upon a time, earlier, etc. These time-related keywords can indicate an action or event happened in the past. So, whenever I see any of these words, I will know that this is past tense. Basic structure. The past tense of verb to be for singular subjects is was for I, he, she, and it, and were for you, we, and they. Examples: I was at the store a while ago. She was in Paris last year. The dogs were barking all night yesterday. You were late for the movie. They were worried about him. We were at the park last weekend. More examples: the presentation was well received by the audience. My friend and I were excited to see the band. It was chilly outside last night. Your face was red when you realized your mistake. We were supposed to meet last Friday. The book was on the shelf 2 hours ago. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb to be in the past tense. She depressed yesterday. We at the party last night. They late for the meeting. The goats running across the field. I excited a while ago. The notebook in your bag. You tired after the long walk. My grandparents very wise and experienced. The team successful and less competition. Yesterday morning, I at the library studying for exams. Did you write all the answers? Let's check it out. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. She was depressed yesterday. Number 2. We were at the party last night. Number 3. They were late for the meeting. Number 4. The goats were running across the field. Number 5. I was excited a while ago. Number 6. The notebook was in your bag. Number 7. You were tired after the long walk. Number 8. My grandparents were very wise and experienced. Number 9. The team was successful and less competition. Number 10. Yesterday morning, I was at the library studying for exams. Hope you got them right. Exercise number 2. Fill in the gaps using was or were. My parents married for over 20 years. There many people at the concert. She the only one who knew the answer. The food delicious at the restaurant. I surprised by the news. He interested in the project at first. Jack and I happy to celebrate your birthday last month. The concert amazing last night. My childhood filled with wonderful memories. The view from the mountain breathtaking. Are you ready to check out the answers? Okay, let's go. Answers. Number 1. My parents were married for over 20 years. Number 2. There were many people at the concert. Number 3. She was the only one who knew the answer. Number 4. The food was delicious at the restaurant. Number 5. I was surprised by the news. Number 6. He was interested in the project at first. Number 7. Jack and I were happy to celebrate your birthday last month. Number 8. The concert was amazing last night. Number 9. My childhood was filled with wonderful memories. Number 10. The view from the mountain was breathtaking. Thank you, love, for watching my video. Hope you liked and enjoyed your time as usual. Don't forget to give me more examples of verb to be in the past tense and to write them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and share it. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit that button below to follow for more. See you next time. Bye.